Informatics. The term bioinformatics was first introduced in 1990s. Originally, it dealt with the management and analysis of data pertaining to DNA, RNA, and protein sequences. As the biological data is being produced at an unprecedented rate, its management and interpretation invariably requires bioinformatics. Therefore, it includes many other types of biological data. Bioinformatics is a combination of biology and information technology. Basically, it is a recently developed science using information to understand biological phenomena. It broadly involves the computational tools and methods used to manage, analyze, manipulate volume and volumes of biological data. This bioinformatics covers many specialized and advanced areas of biology, namely functional genomics, structural genomics, comparative genomics, DNA microarrays, medical information. Coming to functional genomics. Functional genomics is identification of genes and their respective functions, whereas structural genomics is prediction related to the function of proteins. The comparative genomics is related to understanding the genomes of different species of organisms. The DNA microarrays are designed to measure the levels of gene expression in different tissues, various stages of development, and in different diseases. Medical information. This involves the management of biological data with special reference to molecules, in vitro assays, and clinical trials. The database for various model organisms. Example is Escherichia coli, E. coli, Genomics Center. Then Arabidopsis thaliana, TAIR. Then Homo sapiens, that is Human Genome Resource at NCBI USA. Rice, that is Oryza sativa, RGP, Rice Genome Research Program, Japan. Drosophila melanogaster, Flybase, Drosophila Genome Database. Then Baker's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, SGD, Yeast Genome Database, Stanford, USA. The components of bioinformatics comprises of the following. That is creation of database. This involves organizing, storage, and management of biological data sets. Development of algorithms and statistics. This involves the development of tools and resources to determine the relationship among the members of large data sets. Example, comparison of a protein sequence data with the already existing protein sequences. Analysis of data and interpretation. This includes DNA, RNA, and protein sequences, protein structure, gene expression, profiles, and biochemical pathways. Applications of bioinformatics. Coming to the first one, varietal information system. Bioinformatics has useful application in developing varietal information systems. PGB database, that is the genetic material of a plant which is of value for present and future generation, is referred to as plant genetic resources. The third one is study on genomics. Genomics refers to the basic set of chromosomes. In a genomic, each type of chromosome is represented only once. Bioinformatics used to study the structure and function of entire genome of an organism is referred to as genomics. Then study on proteomics. Proteomics refers to the study of the structure and function of all proteins in an individual. In other words, it deals with the study of entire protein expression in an organism. Fifth one, studies on metabolomics. It refers to the study of metabolic pathways in a living organism. In other words, it is the computer-aided information of all metabolic pathways of an organism. Next is modeling of plants. Bioinformatics plays an important role in modeling of crop plants. Such computer-aided studies have already made in the field pea and several other field crops. Then pedigree analysis. Computer-aided studies are useful in pedigree analysis of various cultivars and hybrids. Information about the percentage of cultivars and hybrids is entered in the computer memory, which can be retyped anytime. Then forecasting models. Computer-aided programs have wide applications in developing various types of forecasting models, especially useful for predicting crop production and productivity, and in forecasting incidences of insect and diseases in crop plants. Coming to the limitations of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics requires sophisticated laboratory of molecular biology for in-depth study of biomolecules. Establishment of such lab requires a lot of funds. Then the second limitation is computer-based study of life science requires special training for handling of computer-based biological data. Coming to the next one, that is there should be uninterrupted electricity or power supply for computer-aided biological investigations. Interruption of power may sometimes lead to loss of huge data from computer memory. The next is there should be regular checking of various computer viruses because viruses may pose several problems such as deletion of the data and corruption of the programs. And the maintenance and the upkeeping of molecular laboratories involves a lot of expenditures. Thank you.